How to move notes to another folder on iPhone. All you have to do is to go to your notes directly and it will lead you to your, and here as you can see I only have one folder for my, so all you have to do is to choose the note that you want to move. So let's say this one, I want to move this. So all you have to do is to long press that note and it will actually come out like this, and then you will see pin note, lock note, share note, move and delete. Tap on move and all you have to do is to choose the folder that you want to move it from. So let's say you can, it's actually from notes, so you cannot transfer it to notes. So let's say let's create a new folder that says, and then if you go back here to folder, you have now toots folder and you will see the notes that you have transferred or moved. And basically that is how you move notes to another folder on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.